How to add a boomerang effect to your CapCut videos. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel official help text. Now let's get started. Open your CapCut. Here we go. Now tap on this option of new project. With that, your gallery will open up. Now head towards the photo section. Now from here, select the photos to use for boomerang effect. After you select the photos, you can tap on the option of add given at the bottom right corner. Now just tap on each photo and set it to 0.5 seconds in this way. After you do that, you can export this video. Just tap on the arrow icon given at the top right corner. Tap on done. Now you can head towards the video that you have just exported. Tap on it. Now tap on this plus icon. With that, your gallery will open up. Now in your gallery, you will find the video that you have just exported. Just select it. Now you can play it. It will just create the boomerang effect. You can see that. You can tap on this plus icon and select videos for multiple times. So this is how you can add a boomerang effect to your CapCut videos. This was very simple and quick process. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.